resilient, faithful, and passionate.
I'm kind, ambitious, and optimistic.
I am bright, resilient, and joyous.
Know your worth and then add lipstick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because we are launching 2 new products on Dominique Cosmetics this Friday, October 2nd at 10 a.m. We're expanding our lip category to creamy fill and define lip liners and soft focus demi matte lipsticks, which I cannot wait to show you guys right now. But before we get into everything, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about are creamy fill and define lip liners. So our motivational note for the lip liners is define your beauty, and you'll see the quote here on the side of the box. It says define your beauty. What that means to me and what I want you to take from that, not only define your lips, but define your own beauty within and really understand who you are and know that that is so beautiful. Everybody gets so caught up on social media and is constantly looking at other people's beauty and, oh, I want to look like this, I want to look like that. But let's take a step back, define our own beauty, and let's appreciate that. So that's what this quote is all about for the lip liners. You know me and my motivational notes. I love to give you guys something a little bit more than just makeup. I've always done it on my channel and I always want to do that with my brand as well. And the name is exactly what they are. They're creamy. You can fill in the entire lip because it has a teardrop shape, and you can also easily define the shape of your lip as well. So we have 4 creamy matte universal nudes. Dulce is a pale peachy nude. These are everyday shades. This is more of a warm tone. Dulce is actually one of my favorites. It's something that I use every day. I find myself gravitating towards this liner. It's more neutral and natural for me. It's kind of like a barely there, but it's there. It's a warm peach, and it just goes with every shade here, and I like to use it on its own. It's just such a beautiful color. And then we have Crush, which is a mauve nude shade, and this is one of those essential colors for me. I feel like just because it's not beige or brown, it's still an everyday type of nude. And some people have more of a natural pink tone, so that's what this shade is for, to match that pink lip tone if you just want something that's your lips but better kind of a color. Nude is a true brown, and this color right here just makes me feel like fall because it's very warm, and I love to wear this on its own, or I like to pair it with Pretty Natural, Sweet Nectar, or Freckles. These will look great with this shade just because those tones are going to contrast and complement this color at the same time and just really bring to life your lip and give it that dimension. So Nude is one of those shades that will definitely define your lip if you are my skin tone. If you're a little bit medium to dark, it's gonna look just a little bit lighter depending on how dark you are, but it's gonna look so natural. Then we have Brown Sugar, which is a brown red nude. To me, this is an essential color for darker skin tones or even lighter skin tones. If you want to go for a more fall warm type of lip, you can use those contrasting colors like Sweet Nectar, Pretty Natural, Freckles, and even Nude Cocoa depending on your skin tone. I feel like I've said skin tone so many times. But if you do have a deeper skin tone, this color is really going to define the lip line. And these are the real deal humble swatches. So you can get a very faint line, a medium line, and then you can fill in if you hold it on its side. There is a lip liner for every skin tone just within these 4, which is awesome. If you post, tag me, tag Dominique Cosmetics. We want to see and we want to repost you. So make sure to tag us. Dominique Cosmetics in general is cruelty free, but with these lip liners and lipsticks, they are clean beauty and they also are vegan. Both have vitamin E infused into the formula so that you get a nourishing element to this. You get to have smooth, baby soft lips. And you can see that as soon as you apply it. Like, I don't need a lip balm or chapstick. It's very nourishing and it feels very comfortable on the lips. They're long wearing, rich in pigment, and you just get this effortless definition because you don't really have to try too hard. It's already kind of shaped perfectly for your lip, and it just glides on so buttery smooth. I also wanted to make sure that this was easy to find when you store it, because a lot of the time I have to like pull out my lip liner to see what color it is, and it's really hard for me to tell. So I wanted to make sure that this entire top part of the component matches the actual lip liner color inside. So it's easy for you to look at. The cap is clear so that you're able to see that. And also we have our new logo right here, which I'm really excited about with the elongated M. I'm so proud of this little guy. It has our core colors, which are clear, rose gold, and black. So very excited about this. This is what the box looks like. So cool. You're gonna get a swatch at the top with the shade name right there. And of course, when you open it, it's always gonna give you a little surprise. This is the color flushed inside of the box, the color of the lip liner, with our motivational note right here for you guys. Our creamy fill and define lip liners are $18 each. If you want a bundle, go ahead and check out the website. We have special customized bundles for you guys. Now I'm gonna get into the Soft Focus Demi Matte lipsticks. I'm so excited. So here is our lipstick. Well, I just wanted to show you the packaging because we spend so much time on like the little details. You see the swatch with the name and the quote, know your worth, then add lipstick. Is that backwards? Then add lipstick, and then it's just, she's our new logo. I'm just so excited about every little detail. We put so much love into every little step of this. But yeah, she's so beautiful. The motivational note for the lipsticks is know your worth, then add lipstick. The quote's gonna be running all throughout the inside of the box, also the color that you chose, just to remind you, like, know your worth. You're beautiful, you're sexy, you're smart, you're confident. Say it until you can't say it anymore. And then add lipstick. It's like putting on heels or a push-up bra. It's just an added benefit to what you already know. You're gonna know it's a Dominique product just whenever you store it, because it's gonna have the DC right there. There's like a clear little casing on top of it, and the DC is debossed underneath with a rose gold plate. It's so beautiful. I wanted you to feel like you have like a jewel in your hand, and I really feel like you get that effect with this. And okay, let me just let you guys know I've been using these every single day, and so they're a little used up. These are also clean beauty, vegan, and infused with vitamin E. They have the same tip story as the lip liners. They're kind of sisters because they have the same teardrop fill and define kind of shape. So it's easy to just fill in or glide it on all over the lip. It's super hydrating. This is a demi matte, so it's not drying at all. It's very comfortable, same as the lip liners. Has a high color payoff. It's smoothing, so your lips are gonna look a lot smoother. So I made sure to create 6 universal nudes for every skin tone. I'm gonna go through the different shades with you guys right now and swatch them. So the first one I have is Sweet Nectar, which is a peachy nude. It's such a beautiful color. I love this color paired with a deeper lip liner. I love that contrast. It just makes your lips look so much fuller and plump, and I really love that look. But Sweet Nectar also looks great on its own. Next, we have Pretty Natural, which is a muted beige, and I have to say that this is my fave. I always end up using this. Like, I'm just like, I just need a little Pretty Natural. I use it with any lip liner that I have because I always like the center to be a little bit lighter, and it's perfect. She's the perfect nude for me. I feel like a lot of people will want to gravitate towards Pretty Natural. It's the perfect muted beige color, and it's very universal. So the next color we have, you know, I have to sprinkle in a little bit of my Latina culture, and this color right here is called Galladita, and this is a burnt brown. It's so pretty. Wow, that is such a beautiful color. She's spicy. And then we have Freckles. This color is also one of my favorites. It's a light brown, which just goes with everything. It just matches with any color that you choose. And I feel like this complements every skin tone. It's the perfect nude. She's a Tease is a mauve nude. This is that natural lip color that I have in my lip liners, but a deeper natural lip tone in a lipstick. So if you want your lips but better on a lip bullet, this this is gonna be it. Nude Cocoa is a brown nude. This is fall right here. This is fall vibes. I am absolutely very proud of this Dominique running down the front of the lip bullet. I know you guys don't care, but I care. I just wanted to point it out because this makes me very happy. These guys are going to be $20 each. Again, if you want to get a bundle, we have customized bundles for you guys on Dominique Cosmetics. Make sure to head to the website. They launch on October 2nd at 10 a.m. PST, so make sure to mark your calendar. You don't have that much time. And I have like a special bundle bag that I created for this special launch. All of these launches are my babies, and I'm very proud, and I put a lot of attention to the details in everything that I create, and I hope you guys really love it and appreciate it. And I cannot wait for you guys to have it in your hands. It's gonna make your lips look smooth and pretty. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up to let me know you liked it, and check out these two videos on the side just in case you missed them. They're waiting for you to check them out. I love you guys so much, and today's motivational quote is going to be our launch quotes, which is for the lip liners, it's define your beauty. Defining your beauty to me means understand who you are from every aspect, from within, and appreciate and accept it because you are individually so beautiful. And the other quote for today is know your worth, and then add lipstick. But the real important part here is know your worth. I feel like a lot of people don't understand how important they are. Look inside yourself. You are so, so important. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.